Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the device has enough power and your important files are backed up. This prevents data loss and failed resets. Once backed up, unlock the phone and go straight to Settings, then locate System or General Management. Different brands label it differently. Make sure you have your account password or PIN handy because you'll need it to proceed. Now that prerequisites are met, tap the option for Reset or Reset Options. This is the first actionable step in the wipe process. You'll see several choices. Pick Erase All Data or Factory Data Reset to remove apps, accounts, and settings. This is the core action. Make sure to confirm removal of linked accounts and disable any screen locks or Find My Device services, because otherwise activation locks can block the new setup. Read the on-screen summary so you know exactly what's deleted, then tap Reset or Erase. If asked for a PIN, password, or Google/Apple ID, enter it to authenticate and continue safely. Once you confirm, the device will restart and perform the wipe. Expect the first boot to take longer than usual while it rebuilds system files. After reboot, follow the setup prompts and sign in with your original account if asked. This prevents activation lock issues. If the reset doesn't complete or the device loops, make sure you have backups, then attempt recovery mode reset or use the manufacturer's firmware reinstall tool. If that fails, contact support. A single troubleshooting tip: check battery and storage health before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.